Remove the protective cap and rotate the front half of the left connector counterclockwise 90 degrees. Rotate the front half of the right connector clockwise 90 degrees. Lift the puller upward to clear the connector boot. Move the puller forward until clear of the connector assembly and remove. Turn the connector assembly over and insert the puller tab into the groove between the connectors. Slide the puller forward until the puller arms press up against the connector assembly. Rotate the front half of the left connector clockwise 90 degrees, making sure that the puller horn is under the latch roll bar and correctly interfaced with the connector latch. Rotate the front half of the right connector counterclockwise 90 degrees, making sure that both puller horns are under the latch roll bars and correctly interfaced with each connector latch. Replace the protective cap. Visit us at www.leviton.com for further information.